We're just gonna roll with it. Hi, I'm Iona Peru. I'm 21 years old. I was born on January 21st, 1998. And a fun fact about me is I turned 21 on the 21st. That's great. I am deathly, and I mean like obnoxiously afraid of birds. It could be a chicken, it could be a goose, and it could be a peacock. I am afraid of birds. I'm double jointed. Exhibit A. And I kind of like to dance. Wait for it. I can speak multiple languages. I can speak Armenian, Turkish, kind of Spanish, and Arabic. Հայրեր ինչպես ես, իմ անունս Նինա Փուրուց է և ես 21 տարեկան եմ։ Yes, 100% higher. And if you didn't know what I just said, I'm also 100% Armenian. I like to sing. Whoa, I took my makeup off. Can you tell? You thought I was gonna sing, right? You know, I had a singing clip in this video, but it was kind of awkward, you know? Maybe next time. And on that note, I'm Iona Peru.